Hi, and welcome to Anne's Family Recipe. Today we're making quick and easy chicken enchiladas. This is one of my family's favorite weeknight dinners. It's so fast and easy to make. So here we go. I'm starting with 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to dice them up into really small pieces. In my skillet, I have 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil that's heating up over about medium-high heat, and to that I'm going to add my diced up chicken breast. And you can also use chopped up pork tenderloin here too. That would be delicious. My family just prefers the taste of chicken. So we're going to start with a sprinkling of salt and pepper. And then to give it a little bit of a smoky flavor, I'm adding some cumin, a little bit of garlic powder. About 1/4 teaspoon is the equivalent of 1 clove of garlic, so that was maybe about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then some oregano. And then we'll just saute this until it's cooked through and starts to get golden brown around the edges. While the chicken is sizzling in my skillet, I'm going to warm up my flour tortillas in the microwave just so they're a little more pliable and easy to work with. I prefer flour tortillas, but you could just as easily substitute corn tortillas, whatever flavor and texture you prefer. I'm going to cover these up with a damp paper towel just to kind of keep them moist underneath here as they heat up. Now we just have to assemble our enchiladas. So I've got my chicken right here, looks and smells amazing. I have 1 8-ounce brick of Monterey Jack cheese that I just shredded by hand. You could use pepper jack, Colby jack, whatever sounds good to you. And then I have my warmed up tortillas, which are nice and easy to work with now. So here we go. We're going to take just a spoonful of chicken for each tortilla. Place that on one side. A sprinkling of the Monterey Jack cheese. You can use as much as you want. I like to use a lot. Of course, it's cheese. Come on. And then to roll it, we're just going to fold it in from either side just to kind of hold in the ingredients, and then wrap it up. And I have a 9 by 13 inch glass baking dish over here that I just sprayed lightly with some baking spray, and I'm going to line these up in a row inside. With this recipe, we're taking a really easy shortcut by using our favorite green salsa from the grocery store. So this is called a chili verde simmering sauce. I actually found this one at Aldi, and it's a little bit spicy, so you can choose whatever kind of salsa you want based on how spicy you want it to be. But I'm going to put mine on half of the enchiladas because I'm not sure that my kids are going to enjoy this, but I'll definitely cover all of them with lots of extra cheese. So instead of drowning these in sauce, as some recipes call for, I'm just going to kind of spoon it over the middle, just a little bit, just for a little extra flavor. And then if we want more when they're done baking in the oven, we can add more on top. These chicken enchiladas are going to bake in the oven for about 10 minutes or so. I've preheated it to 400 degrees, and basically we're looking for the cheese to melt and get all bubbly, and the tortillas are going to get a little bit crispy on the outside. It's a great texture contrast. Our enchiladas are ready to eat. If you wanted to broil these instead of bake them, that would be totally fine. That would get the cheese nice and bubbly and brown on top too. I get nervous about doing that in my Pyrex pan because they're not supposed to get too hot. But Andrew's smiling at me. Hi Andrew, my son. He's 4 months old and so stinking adorable. Hello. Do you like enchiladas? Oh, he gave a big smile. Yes, okay, that's good. So I wanted to share with you something that I love to top my enchiladas with. It's kind of like a guacamole salad. All I did was chop up some grape tomatoes and avocados into chunks, and then I had some green onions, so I sprinkled those in, and I just sprinkled salt and pepper on top and a little bit of fresh lemon juice, because that's what I had. You could use lime juice too, but it's just this really great fresh topping to put on top of your enchiladas. It's a great pairing and adds even more delicious flavor. Is that right, Andrew? Yeah. So I also wanted to show you on the side here, I have this incredible creamy rice and corn casserole. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a recipe video for that. Now I get to give my enchilada a taste. So let's put a little bit of this on top because it just makes it that much better. Okay, I got my fork and knife here. We'll cut right into the middle. I want avocado. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's so good. The guacamole salad totally makes it. And I really like that chili verde sauce from Aldi. That has a little bit of a kick, but it's not too spicy. You have to experiment with your store-bought salsas. This one, in fact, said mild on the label, and I would not call it mild. So, but it's delicious. Which is really good. I actually haven't made this in a long time, so I'm happy I made it again. My husband encouraged me to make it again because it's a good one. Okay, my family is so hungry. I have all their plates ready to go around me, so I'm gonna serve up dinner. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon with another family recipe. Can you say hi to Daddy? Hi, Dad! For the full recipe, check the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen.